Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here in our collection one of the latest and one of the premium ultra watch clone or watch ultra clone in the market. We have here the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, it is powered, or the app that is supporting the wearable is the Zordai app. It's a new app and it is full of features and options for your smartwatch. So what we have here is the 49mm smartwatch. So we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. So if you have any questions and you are still looking for a premium watch ultra or ultra watch smartwatch, okay, you might want to check this video. Okay, so if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Okay, so we are ready, so let's check. But before we open this box, let's check first the packaging here. So Max Watch Ultra. So we have here the smartwatch. Okay, preview of your smartwatch. So it is using the Zordai app. Okay, it is a pretty new app. And we have here the QR code. So it supports Alipay here, as well as the NFC support. Okay, so nothing else is detailed here in the box. Okay, but so far it looks nice. Okay, it looks professional. Okay, so let's open it and see if what are the contents of the smartwatch. Okay, or what are the contents inside this box. So again, this is the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch, and it will run the Zordai applications available in Android and iOS platform. Okay, so design it, okay, for building an amazing style. Let's see if it's really an amazing style here. Okay, so this one, what's this? Okay, it's this strap, and it comes with the user manual here. Zordai Z8 Ultra Max. Okay, so it is an upgrade, I guess, of the Z8 Ultra. Check out the website of the company below. Okay, Android users, iOS. So this is the support app available in Android and iOS platform. So the user manuals is available in English and Chinese language. So we have the strap. Okay, so far it looks nice. Okay, and we have the wireless charging cable here, and of course we have the smartwatch. Okay, so nothing else. Again, the contents are, okay, the smartwatch, the user manual, the wireless charging cable here, and of course the strap. Okay, so going back to the smartwatch, so let's remove this plastic so we can see the real beauty of the wearable. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. We have the, of course, the crown button here, the pill shape button. Okay, and we have here the big orange action button. Okay, so it looks nice. As you can see here, we do have the screws here, so giving the wearable a much legit, okay, look. And of course we have here the watch strap lock. Okay, so we will attach the strap. Okay, let's see if we can attach it. Okay, so before that, let's check first the weight without the strap. Okay, I'm curious to see if what is the weight of this wearable without the strap. Okay, 00, and we have a 46.38 grams. Okay, with the strap, let's see. So it's around 66. So very lightweight, just less than 50 grams. Okay, with the body only. Okay, for the dimension, okay, so let's see for the thickness without the sensor. So it is just around 10. Okay, here, so around 40, 48, 49 something, 49. Okay, on the width here, okay, not including the button, we have around 30, 38, I think. Okay, so 38. Okay, so you say it's almost the same with the original when it comes to ratio. Okay, and we have here the black color. Most of the color for smartwatches for this one is aluminum space gray. Okay, so far this one looks nice. It has a flat finish. Okay, so let's see if we can attach this. Okay, so far it's easy to attach so far. This one, let's see. Okay, you heard that click. So it's now locked onto the strap. Okay, so let's take a look at the design here. Okay, let's have a closer look at the design of the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, so let me wear it so you can see how it will look like on your wrist. Okay, let me see if I can attach it easily. Okay, seems like we made a mistake here. Okay, let me see. Okay, so we attach the strap now properly. Okay, so we are fix it. Now let's see. Okay. Okay, so it's very easy to attach. Okay, and as you can see here, it looks great. Okay, so it looks like the real deal here. It looks nice so far. Okay, so for the specs of this wearable, let's see. So to make sure, let's check the website of this company. Okay, Zordai. I think they have a website, zordai.com. Okay, so let's see. So we have here the website. Okay, so zordai.com. Okay, so let's check the specs of the smartwatch. So it has a flash memory 128 MB. Okay, it is compatible with Android, iOS, and iOS. Dual Bluetooth 5.0. It has a zinc alloy 5 zinc alloy plus IML back cover, 2.08-inch full round screen, very huge or very big screen display. Okay, 420 as you can see here, 420 by 485. So product weight exactly as we measured, IP68. Okay, we do have here the heart rate sensor. See it here, Zhang Heng BD1662. Okay, what else do we have here? So lithium battery, 380 mAh battery, wireless charging with 25 to 35 days, very long standby time here, and 5 to 6 days normal connection or usage. Available in black and gray. Okay, so here are the features. Okay, so far it looks nice. Let me remove this one. Okay, beautiful screen display here, and with the much slimmer black border. To show you a preview of the screen, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so hello English, and we have here the screen display. Okay, let me check if we can change the uh, watch face here so you can see the black border. Okay, so far it has a very good screen display here, very bright. Okay, you see the border, very slim. Okay, I guess this one. Okay, so that is the, see the border here, the black border. But so far the screen resolution is very good, very bright screen display. Let me adjust. Okay, still very good screen resolution here. Let me double check it. Okay, so 420 by 485, and we have a 2.08 full view color screen. I no wonder why the screen display is very good. Okay, the brightness is very good also, as you can see. Very smooth transition here. Okay, so far, okay, I'm impressed. As you can see here, there's an improvement. It is not just a fake, okay, screw here, but an original, okay, a real screw for the back cover here. Okay, let's have a closer look. And of course the lock here, the strap lock, is also working. Okay, you see this one? So it's a fake one, as you can see, while we have here the real deal for the, okay, locked or screw lock for the back cover. Okay, very wide orange action button here. Okay, so far I'm impressed with the design and the look of the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, so watch out for our next video for this one, checking of its menus and functions. So if you have any questions regarding the video review of the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch, okay, so far so good, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.